Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. Drawing the breath into the body, feel the resonance of your tone, moving deeply into the chakras. The chakras go deep inside your etheric being, deep, very deep, deeper than you can imagine when you think of your physical body. The chakras go deep, rooting you in your past, in your present, and in your future. I am Quan Yin, drawing the energy in. We are asking you to be aware of your chakras now. We are asking you to pay attention to the chakras. As you move through the end of this month to the new moon in August, to the full moon in August, we ask you to pay attention to the chakras. Think of them during the day. The belly chakra and the root chakra, rooting to the earth and connecting you to the earth and connecting you to your emotional body and the emotions of the earth. We have toned to focus you on your upper 5 chakras, and we will move into the lower chakras this evening. We will work with them. The earth chakra is shifting. The chakra root of the earth is shifting. Therefore, the root chakra within your own body is shifting. I am Quan Yin. I am talking about your connection with the earth. You have each decided to come into this incarnation very consciously. Each and every one of you that hears this call, that hears this message, knows on some deep inner level that you chose to be here. Recognize that now, remember it, confirm it inside your being by mentally repeating with the palms open to the universe, I chose to be here. I chose to be here in this form. I chose to be here with these emotions, with this mind, with this body. I chose to be here with this gender. I chose to be here with the idiosyncrasies of my own personality and my being. And as you remember that choice, you will begin to feel a kinship, a greater kinship with what you are and who you are, with the issues that have come up for you, with the talents that you have, with the capacity of joy that you have, and the capacity of sorrow. You will begin to understand that you have pulled these vibrations towards you to recreate on the earth and a new self. And so you are connecting with the Mother Earth, and so you are connecting with the new healed whole Mother Earth, for she exists. The new earth is casting off the old earth. The new earth is resonating with joy and a higher vibratory field. The old earth is dying away. Do not let the word die. Do not let the word death. Do not let the idea of the changing of the physical bring up fear within you. Death is a part of life, and your cells in your body die all the time. You are renewed constantly. And so you are renewing again. You are renewing your vibratory body, and you are renewing the earth. You will see the ending of things around you. See through that illusion to the beginning, to the new. Feel the joy that you are part of this. You are the midwife and the mid-husband. You are husbanding this and midwifing this new life, this new birth into the earth. And so you are doing it within yourself, cell by cell, thought by thought, feeling by feeling, experience by experience. I am